Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to design a Lightbox banner in Photoshop. If it's your first time, please subscribe and turn on the notification to get another tutorial. And if you have question, please let me know in the comment. So for the first step, I have to create a new document. I go to File, choose New or Ctrl N. For here is basic detail. The top one is the title of document. You can put what you want, and for here I choose centimeters, width 30, height 50, resolution I put 300 pixels per inch. Color mode I put RGB 8-bit. Background content I put white. Advanced option color profile as RGB, 12 pixels and create. Now we have a new document. The size 30 cm by 50 cm. I have to save the document first. I go File, click on Save As, and choose the place you want to save and click Save. Next step, I have to insert the background. I go File, choose Place Embedded, this one, and select the background. Okay, and next step I need to add vibrance. I click here and choose this one, vibrance. For vibrance I put 79, saturation I put 100. Okay. For next step I need to add text. I use text tool. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. For fill I put 0 and I need stroke. I stand on it and I go to F8 blending option. I click on stroke. Size I put 5 pixels and color this one, and I have to tick on drop shadow, color this one, and for opacity I put 34%, angle 0, distance I put 20 pixels, spread 30%, size I put 0 and OK. I want it to, I just Ctrl J to make copy and drag to another side. And for the next step, I want to insert main subject. I go File, choose Place Embedded, and select main subject. I Ctrl J to make copy. I close I for the below layer. I have to convert this one to Smart Object. Right click and convert to Smart Object. Click on it I want to change it. I stand on it and I go image, choose mode and choose grayscale, rasterize and go image again, choose mode, choose bitmap and OK. Output I put 72 and choose pixel per inch. For method I choose house tune screen and OK. Frequency I put 10 line inch and OK. OK, and we Ctrl S to save. And now we back to the main poster. Okay, and I need to remove background from this main subject. I stand on it and I choose select subject. Okay, and I mask layer. And I open this layer. I drag a little bit. Okay. I want to put stroke to this layer. I stand on it. I go F8, choose blending option. I take on stroke. I change color. Size I put 8 pixels and OK. I want to add curve to the picture. I click here and choose curve. Right click and create clipping mask. I click here. I drag it down a little bit. Okay, like this one. And now I want to add a rectangle behind the main subject. I stand on this layer and I choose rectangle tool. Fill, I choose this color. Stroke, I choose no stroke and I draw it. For next step, I add new layer. I click here. I choose brush tool. This one. I choose soft round. Opacity I put 50%. For color, I choose the same with jacket. I brush it around here. Okay. And for next step, I want to put text. I use text tool. You can tap or Ctrl V to path. I add another text. For effect, I just drop shadow. You can see opacity I put 100, distance 5, spread 5, size I put 1 and OK. I want to add DJ name and date. I want to add contact and social media icon. add location one more. I want to put rectangle below the location. I use rectangle tool. Fill, I choose black and draw it. And finally, our Lightbox banner is finished. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions, let me know in the comment. See you next video.